What is the current through R2? What is the current through R2? So we will use Ohm's law, where we have the voltage across R2 divided by R2. So we have 16 volts divided by 6 ohms, and we get 2.67 amps. The sum of the currents through R1 and R2 equals the current generated by the battery. So here's our I1, 1.33 amps. Here's our I2, 2.67. You add them together, and you get 4 amps. So you have 4 amps coming out of the battery, and it splits here, and then rejoins here, and you have 4 amps going back to the battery negative terminal. More of the current from the battery flows through the smaller resistor than flows through the larger resistor in parallel. In fact, when one resistor is half the value of the other one, twice as much current flows through it. So what we have, the 6 ohm resistor has what? It has 2.67 amps going through it. And the 12 ohm resistor has half that amount, which is 1.33 amps. And if one resistor was 3 times the value of the other one, 1/3 as much current would flow through it. So it's kind of an inverse relationship there.